Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce OSI model and tree protocol. OSI is stand for Open System Interconnection. It is a conceptual structure for how applications communicate over a network. There are 7 layers inside, each layer have their own function. OSI model is the layer depiction used to help users identify what is going on in a networking system. So let's start it. The first layer is physical layer, second layer is data link layer, third is network layer, then transport session, presentation, and application. In this model, the first layer is at the bottom and the last layer is at the top. I will describe it from top down. Application layer is the layer that most users interact with. It provides network services to the end user. Their services are protocols that work with the data the client is using. One of the examples is HTTP, used with web browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. Second layer is presentation layer. Presentation layer performs the uncomplicated task of syntax processing or converting data from one format to another. The data passing between the website application will transmit encrypted data to the presentation layer that will need to be decrypted and processed. This layer handles translating the data presented in application format. Third is session layer. Session layer support multiple types of connection as well as being responsible for authentication and reconnection if a network interrupt should occur. Fourth is transport layer. Transport layer is responsible for the transmission of data across network connection. This layer coordinates how much data to send, how fast, where it goes, and this sort of things. The protocol that we know commonly in this layer is TCP and UDP. Fifth layer is network layer. Network layer handles the routing of data. Each frame of data is examined to conclude if the data has reached its ultimate target. The layer sends data to the correct destination on outgoing transmission and receive incoming transmission as well. The protocol we commonly know in this layer is IP. This layer also manages the mapping between logical address and physical address. For IP address, this is accomplished through ARP. 6 is data link layer. Data link layer is considered the most complex of the layer. This layer is often divided into sub-layers called as MAC address. The layer set up link across the physical network. When this layer receives data from physical layer, it checks for transmission error and then packages the bit into data frame. From there, this layer manages the physical addressing method for the MAC. Last is physical layer. Physical layer is the electrical layer of the model. This layer encompasses the network cable, power plug, cable pin out, wireless radio frequency, and another. When troubleshooting problem, this is typically the first place to start. In this layer, the model transmits the digital data bytes from the source devices. Physical layer over network communication media, which can be electrical and machine, to the receiving device physical layer. And the direction of data flowing depends on whether the data is receiving or transmitting. The transmitting data flow from top down. The receiving data will flow opposite of transmitting data. Next, I will describe three protocols. First is HTTP. HTTP is an extension of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is used for secure communicate over a computer network. It works on application layer. Second protocol is FTP. It stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is an internet protocol that used for uploading and download of file. It works on application layer too. And the last is ARP, stands for Address Resolution Protocol. ARP is a communication protocol used for discovering the link layer address, such as MAC address, associated with a given internet layer address, typically an IPv4 address. It works on data link layer. So thanks for watching.